Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Muhammad Shelby. Welcome to video number 16 of 1 minute activities. Our activities are for students to practice English in class. Teachers of other subjects can also find the ideas here inspiring in their own classes. Our activity today needs no preparation, nothing really, but a whiteboard. This activity is kind of part 2 of video 15, but you can understand it by itself too. Today's activities are called removing words and changing words. They raise students' awareness of the rules of English based on the idea of altering an existing sentence. Removing words and changing words need only a few seconds per student to complete. Let's start with the first one, removing words. Procedures. 1. Use a longer starting sentence and students remove words singly or in pairs to make the sentence shorter. 2. The new sentence is written on the board and the student who suggests it reads it out loud. The class then decides if the sentence is grammatically correct. If the new sentence is incorrect, then put back the words which had been removed. 3. This is continued until 1 or 2 words remain in the sentence. Now let's move on to the second activity, changing words. This activity is slightly different. Words from the teacher's original sentence can be replaced with 1 or 2 different words to change the sentence completely. The meaning of the sentence can change, but it should always be grammatically correct. Eventually, every word in the sentence should be different from the original. As in removing words, the first activity, each time a change is made, the sentence is read aloud and the class decision is made about its correctness. Now, this is slightly different from the activity change it, which I shared with you in video number 2 of this series. Because here each word is changed only once with the aim of creating a totally new sentence. Even a grammar words such as and, was, that, like this are replaced. Now the following sentence is an example you can use both activities in. The patient, thinking the examination was over, started to look for his shoes. He reached under the bed, took hold of the doctor's shoes and tried to undo the laces, wondering how they were done by themselves in what seemed like only a few minutes of examination. That's a pretty long sentence, right? Now, anyways, that was the end of this activity. Use the sentence games shared in this video and in the previous video, and do let me know in the comments how your students like them. Share this video with your friends and use the hashtag 1minute activities for more fun activities like these. I love you all, and I will see you next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.